It is super easy to make delicious, crispy, crunchy French fries in your air fryer. And in this video, I'm going to show you 4 delicious ways to season them. If you'd rather not make your fries from scratch, you can use these seasoning mixes on frozen French fries too. Just add them during the last couple of minutes of cooking. If you like this video, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The first thing you want to do is slice up your russet potatoes. The easiest way that I've found is to cut the potatoes into quarters, slice those quarters up into slices, and then cut those slices to a French fry width. Add the sliced potatoes to a big bowl with some oil and toss it all together. There's no need to soak the potatoes unless you really want to spend that extra time. Transfer them to your air fryer basket, spread them out into a single layer, and then air fry until they're browned and crispy. When the fries are looking good, add your seasoning of choice. Keep it simple with salt and black pepper, or get fancy with homemade ranch seasoning, barbecue, or garlic fries. If you're making the garlic fries, add the garlic and salt at the end of cooking, then air fry a few more minutes just like the other flavors. But then toss with the parsley just before serving. Parsley is delicate and you don't want it burning in the air fryer. Once your fries are cooked and seasoned and cooked a little more, they are ready to serve. Y'all, these air fryer French fries are so delicious. I think the barbecue is probably my favorite because I am a barbecue girly, but it's really hard to choose. Which flavor of fries are you gonna make first? I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make French fries in the air fryer. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!